Hello, dear all our fans. Yes, today I'd like to show you one of our specialty. Yes, our other field customer service, the LED PCB circuit board. You can see in the film that the LED PCB board we custom for our customers. Yes, it can custom different size, custom different shapes, and also different color, different waveband. Also, we can supply the plus service like the connectors. You can see this board is blue. The plus service we can supply also like 8 connectors, that 8 lens, that if you want. The LED density is designed by your requirement. Yes, this small board you can see 4 different wavebands, or those we can customize the circuits for you. This smaller one, you can see we have added the lens that it can knit the lights more tightly, more centrally. Otherwise, you want other shapes or other size, just let me know your requirements. Very brightly light, right? This is a lens effect. Okay, just let me know, just contaminate freely if you have suggestions of LED PCB boards application and requirement. Work on your inquiry. Thank you.